In this video, I will show you how to install YouTube app in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to install the YouTube app, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've downloaded Google Chrome onto your PC. If you do use a different internet browser, then what you can do is use your browser to, of course, download Google Chrome. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to youtube.com. Now, when you actually come across to youtube.com, if you look in the address bar to the right hand side, you're going to see this icon of this kind of computer screen with the little download arrow. So what you want to do is give that a click, and you're going to get a pop-up like this where it says install app youtube.com. So from here, just click the install button, and what it's going to do is actually install the YouTube web app onto Windows 11. So if I go ahead and minimize Google Chrome, you'll notice also we have the desktop shortcut here. So what I can do if I close this down is if I double click onto YouTube, you're going to see this is going to load up the YouTube app on Windows 11. So that's how to install YouTube app on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.